Hey, it's Leo from MarineMax. Welcome aboard this in-stock 2024 Aviara boats AV36. We're out on the water today to showcase some of Aviara's key features, some of the benefits of this boat, and why it's a great entertainer, great multi-use boat, and a great option for your family. Climbing aboard this boat, the first thing you're going to notice is this boat is the inboard-outboard variant. What that's going to mean is you're going to have tons of space back here on your swim platform for entertaining. Without the outboards hanging off the back here, you're also going to have an optional submersible swim platform that's equipped on this boat. It goes down in the water, gives you a nice cascading step in and out of the water. One of the highlight features on this AV36 is going to be this entertainment center back here. You see we've got everything collapsed right now. It's a standard sort of sunpad here, great for lounging, but with just a few clicks here, you can flip up 3 ratcheting seat backs, as well as 3 stadium style seats here on hydraulic lifters, and quickly convert this aft-facing sunpad into a lounge spot when you're out at your sandbar or your favorite spot on the water. One of our favorite features on this boat. Over here on the starboard side, as you walk into the boat, you are going to have a stereo control right there. Just above the stereo control, you see a receiver for your poles that allow you to run with your aft shade extended. Nice unique feature on these Aviaras here, you've also got dedicated fender storage up under this hatch here, which is nice place to keep that. Walking further inside, you're going to see there's a very inviting cockpit in here. It's a very comfortable, very safe feeling space to be. All of the foam on this boat is custom molded, hand cut, so as soon as you sit down, you'll feel safe, secure, and comfortable. Lots of cup holders on this boat. We consider this an entertainer. You've got a total of 5 cup holders right there, 3 up forward, 2 more in the front. Cup holders galore on this boat. We've got the table in right now. Folds out on a leaf, give you a little bit more space, and can be stowed away as well. Great storage under the seats on these boats. See, we've got our cover in here right now. One other unique feature on the 36 over here on the port side, so you have this reversible lounger here, and under this, you have access to a space for a dedicated trash can. You've got an access door right here, so you can put your trash right through, not have to move anybody out of the way. The entertainment center on this boat is a very well equipped setup. You're going to have a refrigerator over here. Got a grill and some storage under that lid. Another storage space for some coolers or things like that. And then up under this large hatch here, you're going to have a sink with 3 dedicated bottle holders over there on the starboard side. Last but not least, you're going to have another drawer over here that reveals an Aviara branded cooler integrated into your entertainment center. Aviara focuses on elevated control at their helm stations, and it's very apparent on this AV36. We've got a large steering wheel here, billet aluminum to match the exterior accents on the boat. We've got a double wide helm chair that I'm sitting in now with flip up bolsters. Got them down right now, but can very easily be flipped up to give you a little extra visibility. Over here on the starboard side, this boat is equipped with the Ilmor inboard outboards. So you're going to get the Ilmor throttle control for your twin throttles and your joystick control right here. Very intuitive system to use, very easy, and a great feature for getting this boat in and out of tight areas. Up forward, you're going to have a wireless phone charger right here. We've got a couple of these scattered throughout the boat as well. Just above that, controls for your automatic Lenco trim tabs. We've got a screen for your engine data here. Your main Simrad screen will show things like your chart, your navigation, and your depth. And then over here on the port side, you're going to have your controls for the boat. You've got the controls for things like your windlass, your sunshade, engine compartment, things like that. Your stereo is also going to be controlled through this screen, as well as your accent lighting for the boat. This boat's going to have a full RGB light set throughout, so great customizability there. Looks awesome at night running down the water. Follow me down to the cabin on this boat. I'll show you some of the interior features here. Something unique to note on this boat is you've got a magnetic catch that holds the door open, so it's not banging around when you're out on the water. As you step down below, you're going to have tons of space here to hang out. Right now we've got this in the bed configuration. This cushion that I'm sitting on here does remove, and there's a table under it. Flip this up and have some seating around the table. You're going to have a Samsung TV here that's on a pivot mount, so you can adjust it to your liking. You've got a sound bar as well as a microwave oven down here. So it's a great boat to get out of the elements, come down here and stay cool. You've got heat and air conditioning down here as well with your generator, and a pretty large head compartment over here. Got some nice accent lighting, some backlighting, and it's of course a vacuum flush head on this boat. Follow me over here to the port side. Got a nice walk-through door on this boat. Flip over this billet aluminum windshield here. Got a block-off door that can close up super easily, just like that. In combination with that windshield, give you a little bit of protection from the elements in the back. Sitting up at the bow of this AV36, you're going to notice immediately it's a very deep seating area. It's very comfortable. You've got cup holders up here as well, USB and USB-Cs, and controls for your clip audio. Great storage underneath the seats, and there's also an optional bow filler here that can turn this into a full sunpad. Up here at the very front of the boat, under this hatch, you've got access to the controls for your windlass anchor system. It's a very intuitive system to use with a washdown up here as well. This boat is in stock at MarineMax. Contact your local store today to learn more. We'll see you on the water.